Toyota knows trucks, and the 2022 Tundra makes that point loud and clear. This all-new third generation is built with one mission: getting the job done. Its strong and durable construction is evident from the fully boxed frame underneath to the truck bed and back. This all-new bed design has some serious talking points: a 400-watt power inverter, LED bed lamps, cleated deck rails, and the bed itself, made from a special composite material and reinforced with aluminum. This achieves three main things: rust resistance, low weight, and serious durability. Let's put that last part to the test. Here's a boat anchor. Next up, metal toolbox. Pile of bricks? No problem. Heavier ones. River stones. Lots of them. Let's cut to the chase. 20-pound blocks. Time to clean it off. No surprises here. To Tundra, just another day. Toyota trucks have a legendary reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. See more at toyota.com/Tundra.